Okay, you guys, so we have already talked about how the wood is here. Notice that this pile is lower. There is a reason for that. I am going to take you to the brand new, I am beyond proud of subfloor that is coming in. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so it's not coming in. We're putting it in. But how cool is this? So we decided to do it the same way that you do a roof. It's kind of staggered. This is all new for me. So if you're a builder and you're watching, just know that I'm feeling pretty good about myself because we're actually getting this done. We had to go and get more liquid nails. We did get a new nail gun because Sean is a screw person. He loves using screws for things, and we found out that they have these nails that have little rings around it that will pull the wood in the same way that a screw would. So that's what we've been using to make sure and secure the floor. It is so solid. This is just amazing. So once we're done, then what we're going to do is the same thing that I've done here for the weight-bearing walls, because we have two really tall walls that we need to make. You can see the other one over there. Okay, so we want to make sure we know exactly where those supports are. So what we're going to do is after we get this whole thing, the whole subfloor down, we're just going to draw out the plan of where all the different walls are going to be. And not just for the support, but just because I think it would be kind of cool to section everything off and know exactly where everything is. So, just to give you an update of where we are, I will do an update when we get a little further along as far as the wood is concerned. But until the next video, see ya! Just finished the floor, and now I haven't done a cartwheel since I don't even know when, but I'm gonna do one now. Why? Because look at this. Look at this. I'm doing a cartwheel right now. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
I'm going this way. You got everyone going that way?
I don't know. Go ahead. I did it! I did it! Yeah, I don't know what it looked like, but cartwheel, cartwheel.